dear children. Welcome to the 8th standard second language English. Okay. Dear students, in today's class, let us start the third lesson in supplementary reader section. So we have completed the first lesson. Okay. So, can you identify the person, dear children? Can you identify the person? Yes, you are right. He is Lal Bahadur Shastri. Very good. Okay, children. Lal Bahadur Shastri, he was one of the great sons of India. He was one of freedom fighter. Okay, and he became the second Prime Minister of India. Okay, so he was very kind, brave, and full of courage. He served many positions in our country. Shall we know more about Lal Bahadur Shastri? Yes. So in this class, let us know more about Lal Bahadur Shastri. Okay? Okay, children. So now let us start the lesson. Open your textbook, page number 163. Have you opened it? Yes. Okay. Page number 163, Lal Bahadur Shastri. Okay, see, first I will read the lesson, listen carefully. So, and you have to underline the words, those difficult to do. Okay, understand? Okay, see, Lal Bahadur Shastri. See, the story of one of the great sons of India, he is told here. Lal Bahadur, who never aspired for power, became the Prime Minister of India after Nehru. He was by nature calm and cool, but could be tough when the occasion demanded. So this is the introduction about Lal Bahadur Shastri. See, this passage, okay? It is a passage. This lesson, it is in the form of passage, okay? So this story, it is about one of the great sons of India. Okay, that is, who is Lal Bahadur Shastri. So it is the story of Lal Bahadur Shastri. It is told in this lesson. Okay, Lal Bahadur, who never aspired for power. See, aspired. What is the meaning of aspired? See, wish. Aspired. It means wish. Okay, he never wishes to have power and became the Prime Minister of India after Nehru. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? Yes, you are right. Nehru, Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. So after Nehru, Lal Bahadur became the second Prime Minister of India. Okay, so he never wishes to get, he never wanted to get power, to get power. Power means adhikarakkoskara yavattu saha ishtapatavalla. He was by nature calm and cool. So what was the nature he had? See, his nature, he had a such type of nature. Means he was very calm in nature and cool. Tumba calm agirta idda. Very cool in nature. Which nature means swabhava. But could be tough when the occasion demanded. So he was always cool and calm in nature, by nature. So, but he could be tough when the occasion demanded. Occasion means situation. When the situation tough, he had been tough. He could be tough. ತುಂಬಾ ಟಫ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ. ಯಾವ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಟಫ್ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ಆಗ ಅವನ ಸ್ವಭಾವದಲ್ಲಿ ಟಫ್ನೆಸ್ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ Lal Bahadur Shastri. Got it? Okay, students. Now look at the lesson. Listen carefully. Lal Bahadur was born on October 2nd, 1904. Gandhiji was born on the same date in 1869 at Mughal Sarai. His parents were Sharda Prasad and Dhulari Devi. As a boy, Lal Bahadur was brave, kind, full of courage and vitality. Once he and his uncle went for a stroll it was getting dark. An old man who was selling mangoes saw them. He said, "It is getting dark. I will sell these at 1 anna for 100 mangoes." Lal Bahadur and his uncle agreed to buy. The vendor started counting fruits. 1, 2, 3, 4. When he reached 50, Lal Bahadur asked him to stop. He gave the vendor 1 anna. Later his uncle asked him why he had done so. Lal Bahadur replied, "100 mangoes for an anna is too cheap." He was prepared to suffer a loss because it was getting dark. It was hard to him. Therefore, I gave him 1 anna instead of half an anna. This shows how kind Lal Bahadur was. After his school education, he went to Varanasi and joined Kashi Vidyapita and studied there for 4 years. As a student, he was very bright in subjects like philosophy, economics, political science and social science. He had to walk 8 miles each way. He was so poor that he could not buy a bicycle. He got the degree Shastri while he was studying at Kashi Vidyapita. He had to lead a hard life. His monthly expenditure was just 2.5 rupees. After his education, he joined the Indian National Congress and participated with Nehru and Sardar Patel in the non-cooperation movement and Dandi March. He served the country in various capacities as the Minister for Home and Transport in Uttar Pradesh, at the center as the Railway Minister, Home Minister and also the Prime Minister. Okay? See. Once before independence, Lal Bahadur's daughter contracted smallpox. In those days, it was a dreadful killer. The girl's condition caused anxiety. Lal Bahadur, who was in prison, got the message. He sought the permission of the prison authority to see his ailing daughter. The government agreed to release on a parole for 15 days on the condition that he should not take part in any political agitation. Shastri said, "Release me on parole without any condition, or else I don't accept parole." The government agreed to release him. He came to the house. Unfortunately, the girl died on the same day. He performed the obsequies. He still had 3 or 4 days of the parole left, but he decided to return to prison. His family pleaded with him, but Shastri said, "The parole is for the sake of my daughter. She is dead. It's not right that I should stay back." He went back to prison. Okay? See, let us stop here. Okay? See, Lal Bahadur Shastri. So I told you he was the one of great sons of India. He was the second Prime Minister of India. Okay? And he served many positions in our country after independence. Okay? So by nature he was very calm and cool. Okay? See, let us know his story. Okay? Lal Bahadur was born on October 2nd, 1904. See, observe, see, October 2nd. So, who is the other person who born on the same days? Can you identify? Can you tell me? Who was another person who was born on the same date, October 2nd? Can you guess? Yes, Mahatma Gandhi ji. Very good. Okay, Mahatma Gandhi ji was another person who was born on the same date. Okay, so we celebrate October 2nd as Gandhi Jayanti. So when we celebrate this celebration, this Jayanti, we also celebrate the birthday of Lal Bahadur Shastri. Both these persons, they were born on the same date, but year is different. Okay, see, Lal Bahadur was born on October 2nd, 1904. Okay, he was born on October 2nd. Okay, October 2nd, 1904. Okay, so on the same date, Mahatma Gandhi ji, he was also born. See, Gandhi ji was born on the same date in 1869. So when was Gandhi ji born? October 2nd, 1869. Year is different, but date is same. Okay. At Mughal Sarai. See, where was he born? Where was Lal Bahadur born? See, Lal Bahadur was born at Mughal Sarai. Okay. His parents were Sharda Prasad and Dulari Devi. Who were his parents? His parents were Sharda Prasad and Dulari Devi. As a boy, Lal Bahadur was brave, kind, full of courage and vitality. See, observe the word vitality. Means high spirits. See, vitality. What is the meaning of vitality? High spirits. He was brave, kind. Okay, he was very brave, kind, full of courage. He had full of courage, and at the same time, along with he had a high spirits. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಂತಹ ಗುಣ ಇತ್ತು? He was very brave and kind. Okay, so these are the qualities of Lal Bahadur. Okay, he was very brave person as a boy, a very brave boy, kind boy, and full of courage. And had high spirits. So in every action you can see the spirits, high spirits of Lal Bahadur. ಚಿಕ್ಕವನಿದ್ದಾಗಲೇ ಅವನಿಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಉತ್ಸಾಹ ಇತ್ತು. ವೈಟಾಲಿಟಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಏನೇ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಉತ್ಸಾಹ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ದೆನ್ once he and his uncle went for stroll. See, what is the meaning of stroll? See, stroll means walk. Stroll means walk. Just for walk they go. Once he and his uncle, okay, he as a boy idaga, okay, once he and his uncle went for a walk. Stroll means walk. See, it was getting dark. So it was getting dark. Dark means katlagidagale. And an old man who was selling mangoes saw them. See, these two persons, they saw one old man who was selling mangoes. Okay, ಕತ್ತಲ ರಾತ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ, ವಯಸ್ಸಾದಂತಹ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದ್ರು. ಅವನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ? what he was doing? He was selling mangoes. Who saw him? Lal Bahadur and his uncle. See, he said, the old man said, it is getting dark. I will sell these at 1 anna for 100 mangoes. So ಅವನು ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋಸ್ ಮಾರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋಸ್ ಮಾರಾಟ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಡಾರ್ಕ್, ತುಂಬ ಕತ್ತಲಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಬ್ಬರು, ಲಾಲ್ ಬಹದ್ದೂರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನಂತ ಸೆಡ್, ಸಿ it is getting hot, it is getting dark, so I will sell these mangoes for 100 at 1 anna for 100 mangoes. See, the vendor, see, he said that it is getting dark, I will sell these at 1 anna for 100 mangoes. For 100 mangoes, I will take only 1 anna. Who said these words here? The old man. Okay, because it is getting dark, you know, so that I will sell these mangoes for 1 anna for 100 mangoes. 3 mangoಗಳಿಗೆ 1 anna ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್, ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ buy this because it is getting dark, no? So that I will sell these for 1 anna for 100 mangoes. See, anna, see, 1 anna, it is used in British India. It means it is equivalent to 1 anna, it means it is equivalent to 6.25 paise. Okay, 6.25 paise. So it is used in British India. So this, okay, this term it is used in British India. Now it is equal to 6.25 paise. See, Lal Bahadur and his uncle agreed to buy. Okay, Lal Bahadur and his uncle, they were agreed to buy. See, here you can see the two antonyms. See, buy and antonyms. Antonyms. Antonyms means opposite words. See, buy. What is the opposite for buy? Sell. Okay, buy, sell. Okay. See, the vendor started counting fruits. Now they were agreed. Lal Bahadur and his uncle, they were agreed. Agreed means ಒಪ್ಪಿಕೊಂಡು ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ. Now the vendor means here ವ್ಯಾಪಾರಿ. Okay, ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ ನಾನು? Was selling mangoes. See, the vendor means seller on the street. Street ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೋಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾರುವಂತಹ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ, ವ್ಯಾಪಾರಗಳು. Okay, the vendor started counting fruits. He was counting. Now he was counting fruits. 1, 2, 3, 4. When he reached 50, he completed 100 mangoes. But when he reached 50, only 50, Lal Bahadur asked him to stop. He said to the old man to stop counting. Okay. So why he stopped? See, he gave the vendor 1 anna. See, Lal Bahadur stopped him to counting the mangoes. When he reached 50, he counted 50 mangoes. Okay. So Lal Bahadur stopped him to count the mangoes and he gave 1 anna to the vendor, to the old man. See, later his uncle asked him, ನೋಡಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 100 ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋಗಳಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಆಣೆಗೆ 100 ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋಗಳನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಮಾರಾಟ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾರು? ಆ ವೆಂಡರ್. ಆದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನು 50 ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾದ್ರೆ ಲಾಲ್ ಬಹದ್ದೂರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ 50 ಹಣ್ಣುಗಳಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಆಣೆಯಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು? ಯಾಕೆ ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ದ ಲಾಲ್ ಬಹದ್ದೂರ್? ಸಿ ನೋಡೋಣ ಏನಾಯ್ತು. ಸೊ ಲೇಟರ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಅಂಕಲ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ಡ್ ಹಿಮ್. ಕೇಳ್ದ, ಯಾಕೆ? ವೈ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಡನ್ ಸೋ? ಯಾಕೆ ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡಿದೆ? ವೈ ಯು ಡಿಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್? ಯಾಕೆ ಆ ತರ ಮಾಡಿದೆ? Lal Bahadur replied, 100 mangoes for an anna is too cheap. See, 100 mangoes for only 1 anna is too cheap. ತುಂಬಾ ಚೀಪ್ ಅದು. 100 ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋಗಳಿಗೆ ಬರೀ ಒಂದು ಆಣೆಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡೋದು ತುಂಬಾ ಚೀಪ್ ಅದು. See, he was prepared to suffer a loss. See, now the old man, the vendor, he was prepared to suffer a loss because it is getting dark. ಕತ್ಲಾಗಿದ್ದರಿಂದ ಲಾಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬೇರ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ಲಾಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಷ್ಟವನ್ನು ಅನುಭವಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅದು ರೆಡಿ ಆಗಿತ್ತ. He was prepared to suffer a loss. Okay? Because it was getting dark, it was hard on him. Hard means ತುಂಬಾ ಕಷ್ಟ, difficult, ತುಂಬಾ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ. Therefore, I gave him 1 anna instead of half an anna. Therefore, I gave him 1 anna instead of half an anna. ನನಗೆ half an anna ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಕಾರ. ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ತುಂಬ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು ಅವನಿಗೆ, ತುಂಬ ಚೀಪ್ ಅದು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಅವನಿಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಅದರ ಬದಲಾಗಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಅರ್ಧ ಆಣೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡುವ ಬದಲಾಗಿ 1 ಆಣೆಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ ನಾನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. So this shows how kind Lal Bahadur was. See, this action of Lal Bahadur, this shows how kind Lal Bahadur was. Kind means good nature, good behavior. Okay, Lal Bahadur Shastri had good behavior in his childhood days. Okay, even as a boy had a kind nature. Okay, ಚಿಕ್ಕ ವಯಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾಗ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಕೈಂಡ್ ನೇಚರ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು, ತುಂಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಬಿಹೇವಿಯರ್ ಇತ್ತು. ನೋಡು, ಆ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಮನಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ನಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದಾಗ ಇವನು ನಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿ ಅವನಿಗೆ ನಷ್ಟ ಆಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಡಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ವಾ? ಸಿ, ಆಫ್ಟರ್ his school education, he went to Varanasi and joined Kashi Vidyapita and studied there for 4 years. See, after his school education, when he completed his school education, he went to Varanasi and joined Kashi Vidyapita. So in Varanasi there was a Kashi Vidyapita. It was a institution. Okay, so where he joined for higher education. There and he studied there for 4 years. Okay, after school education he joined Kashi Vidyapita. It was there in Varanasi and he studied there for 4 years. ಅಲ್ಲಿ 4 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಕಾಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓದಿದ ಕಾಶಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾಪೀಠ ಅಂತ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅದು ವಾರಣಾಸಿ ಇದೆ. As a student he was very bright in subjects. As a student, being a student, he was very well known in many subjects. So which subject he was very well good at? He was very well and he was very good at. See, he was very bright. Bright means very active. He was very intelligent in subjects like philosophy, economics, political science and social science. So in these subjects he was very good at. Good at means very intelligent in these subjects: philosophy, economics, political science and social science. Okay, he had to walk 8 miles each way. ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಅವನು ಕಾಶಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾಪೀಠಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮೈಲಿಗಳಷ್ಟು ನಡೀತಾ ಇದ್ದ? ಬರೀ ಒಂದು ದಾರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ 8 ಮೈಲಿಗಳಷ್ಟು ನಡೀತಾ ಇದ್ದ. He had to walk 8 miles in each way. He was so poor that he could not buy a bicycle. He was so poor. Okay, but see, he was so poor he could not buy bicycle. Could not buy means ಕೊಂಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. So that he was so poor. He got the degree Shastri while he was studying at Kashi Vidyapita. See, so while he was studying in Kashi Vidyapita, he got the degree Shastri. So it is the name. It was given by Kashi Vidyapita, who completed the course in Kashi Vidyapita. ಯಾರ ಕಾಶಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾಪೀಠದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ನೇಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದೇ ಯಾವುದದು ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಲಾಲ್ ಬಹದ್ದೂರ್ he got the name Shastri by Kashi Vidyapita. Okay, so it was the name. Okay, it was the degree. Okay, he got the degree. It is a degree. So here Lal Bahadur Shastri, he completed this degree, so that he got the name Shastri. Okay, he had to lead a hard life. His monthly expenditure was just 2.5 rupees. He had lead hard life. Hard means very tough life, difficult life. His monthly expenditure was just 2.5 rupees. So how much he spent in month? How much he spent? See, his monthly expenditure. Expenditure means ಖರ್ಚು. ತಿಂಗಳ ಖರ್ಚು ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಿತ್ತು? He spent. Okay, his monthly expenditure was only 2.5 rupees. ಎಷ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಕಳಿತ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ ಅವನು ಅಂದರೆ only 2.5 rupees. It is the monthly expenditure of Lal Bahadur Shastri. Have you understand? Okay. See, this is how Lal Bahadur Shastri was very kind and lead very simple life, because he was very poor. He could not buy a bicycle and he could not lead a very loyal life. Okay, see, after his education he joined Indian National Congress and participated with Nehru and Sardar Patel in the non-cooperation movement. So at the time India was ruled by British India and there was a freedom fighting movement. So when he completed his education, he joined Indian National Congress. Okay, so it is a party. Okay, it was a party. He joined Indian National Congress, where he participated with Nehru and Sardar Patel in non-cooperation movement and Dandi March. In these two movements he participated. Okay, so through this he fought for our country. ಈ ಎರಡು ಚಳುವಳಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನು ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿ, ಅಂದರೆ ನಾನ್ ಕೋಪರೇಷನ್ ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಅಸಹಕಾರ ಚಳುವಳಿ, ದಂಡಿ ಮಾರ್ಚ್, ಉಪ್ಪಿನ ಸತ್ಯಾಗ್ರಹ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಈ ಎರಡು ಚಳುವಳಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನು ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದ. ಯಾರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ? ನೆಹರು ಅಂಡ್ ಸರ್ದಾರ್ ಪಟೇಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಹೋರಾಟ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. He served the country in various capacities as the Minister for Coal and Transport in Uttar Pradesh, at the center as a Railway Minister, Home Minister and also the Prime Minister. He served many positions in our country. Okay, he served many capacities. ಅನೇಕ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಸೇವೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿದರೆ. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ? ಆಸ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಹೋಮ್, he became the home minister. He served as a home minister and transport minister in Uttar Pradesh, and at the center he served as railway minister, home minister, and also the prime minister. He became the second prime minister. So in these positions he served our country. Okay, he served many positions. Okay, see, once before independence, once Lal Bahadur's daughter contracted smallpox. So it was a very dangerous disease at that time. Smallpox means ಅದೊಂದು ಡೇಂಜರಸ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಡಿಸೀಸ್, ಕಾಯಿಲೆ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಪಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಲಾಲ್ ಬಹದ್ದೂರ್ ಡಾಟರ್, ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್, he was attacked by small pox. It was very dangerous one. Okay, in those days it was very dreadful killer. It made the person to dead. So here Lal Bahadur Shastri's daughter, he was attacked by smallpox. It was dreadful killer at the time. Okay, the girl, dreadful means ಭಯಾನಕವಾದಂತಹ ಕಾಯಿಲೆ, ಸಾಯುವಂತೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು ಜನರಿಗೆ. ಅಂತಹ ಕಾಯಿಲೆಗೆ ಇವರ ಮಗಳು ತುತ್ತಾಗಿತ್ತು. The girl's condition caused anxiety. So what was the girl's condition? Who was the girl here? Lal Bahadur's daughter, who was attacked by smallpox, a dreadful disease. So his condition was very worse. Worse means bad. So it made all the people anxiety. Anxiety means concern. Everyone concerned about her. Okay. See, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕುತೂಹಲ, ಚಿಂತೆಯನ್ನು ಉಂಟು ಮಾಡುವಂತೆ ಮಾಡಿತ್ತು ಅವಳ ಒಂದು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್. ಇಟ್ grew very worse, very bad. Lal Bahadur was in prison. So at that time Lal Bahadur was in prison. So British, they pulled him in prison. Okay, got the message. So he was in the prison at the time. He got the message. What message he got? His daughter, who was suffering from smallpox, her condition, it was very bad. So that message he got while he was in the prison. He sought the permission. See, sought is the first form of seek, sought. Okay, seek, sought. Verb forms. These are the verb forms. Present form, past form, and past participle form. Seek is the V1 form, V2, V3. Seek means get. Okay. So here he got the permission of the prison authority to see his ailing daughter. Ailing means sick daughter. Ailing means sick. Okay. So he got the permission from the prison authority. So he got the permission from prison authority to see his sick daughter. Ailing means sick. Okay. ಕಾಯಿಲೆಗೊಂಡಂತ ತನ್ನ ಮಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆ ಪ್ರಿಸನ್ ಅಥಾರಿಟಿಯಿಂದ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ. The government agreed to release. So at that time, which government was there? British government ಆಗಿತ್ತು. So British government agreed to release. ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಒಪ್ಪಿಕೊಳ್ಳು. On a parole for 15 days on the condition. So on a parole, the government agreed to release. The British government agreed to release him on a parole for 15 days. Parole means ವಚನ, condition. ವಚನ, ಪ್ರಮಾಣ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ವಚನವನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಅವನಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ರು. 15 ದಿನಗಳ ಕಾಲ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಯಾರಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು. ಒಂದು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಏನು? on the condition that you should not take part in any political agitation. Agitation means ಚಳುವಳಿ. ನೀನು ವಚನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಪ್ರಾಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿನ್ನ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? 15 ದಿನ ನಿನಗೆ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಆದರೆ ನೀನೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಎನಿ ಪೊಲಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್. ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರ ಚಳುವಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೀನು ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಬಾರ್ದು. ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಅವನನ್ನ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಒಪ್ಕೊಳ್ತು. ಆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಯಾರೋಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ, ಆ ಒಂದು ವಚನ ಪ್ರಮಾಣದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅವನನ್ನು ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಒಪ್ಕೊಳ್ತು. ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರಿ said, release me on a parole without any conditions or else I don't accept parole. So Shastri, he ignored the conditions. He ignored what the government had put. See, Shastri said, release me on a parole. Parole meaning release ಮಾಡಿ, ಆದರೆ without any condition, ಯಾವುದೇ condition ಹಾಕಬೇಡಿ. Or else I don't accept any parole. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ I don't accept parole. ಈ parole ಒಪ್ಪೋದಿಲ್ಲ. The government agreed to release him. British government, it agreed to release him without put any condition. He came to the house. He came to the house. Unfortunately, the girl died on the same day. When he came to the house, unfortunately, the girl, Lal Bahadur's daughter, she was died on the same day. Unfortunately, ದುರದೃಷ್ಟವಶ ಆ ಗರ್ಲ್ ಏನದ್ದು ಮಗಳು ಸತ್ತೋದು. The same day, he performed the obsequies. Obsequies means ಶವ ಸಂಸ್ಕಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಏನೇನು ಆಚರಣೆಗಳು ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೋ ಆಚರಣೆಗಳನ್ನು ನಡೆಸಿದ. He still had 3 or 4 days of the parole left. Okay, he had 15 days. You have on a parole. 15 days ಅವನಿಗೆ ಪ್ಯಾರೋಲ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನೀವು ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಆದರೆ he still had 3 or 4 days to go back to the prison. But he decided to return to prison. But Lal Bahadur Shastri, he had 3 or 4 days left to go back to the prison. But he decided to go back to the prison. ವಾಪಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಮಗಿನ್ನೂ 3-4 ದಿನ ಇತ್ತು ಪ್ರಿಸನ್ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಆದರೆ ಇವನೇನು ಮಾಡಿದ, ಲಾಲ್ ಬಹದ್ದೂರ್ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರಿ ಪ್ರಿಸನ್ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ಜೈಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಡಿಸೈಡ್. His family pleaded with him. Pleaded means his family requested. Pleaded means requested. Okay, pleaded means requested. His family requested with him, but Shastri said, the parole is for the sake of my daughter. She is dead. It's not right that I should stay back. I went back to prison. So this shows how he was right, how he was very brave, and how he was accurate in nature. Okay, see, this parole Shastri ignored. The parole is for the sake of my daughter. ಈ parole ಇರೋದು ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳ ಒಳಿತಿಗಾಗಿ ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಅದೇ, ಬಟ್ she is dead. ಸತ್ತೋದು. It is not right that I should stay back. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, it is not right. He went back to prison. So ತುಂಬ ಅಕ್ಯುರೇಟ್, ತಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಯಾವುದೇ ವಿಷಯದಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಅಕ್ಯುರೇಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ ಪ್ಯಾರಲ್ 15 ದಿನ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನನಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಯಾಕೆ, ಈ ದಿನಗಳನ್ನು ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಯಾಕೆ, ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳ ಒಳಿತಿಗೆ ಅವಸ್ಕರ. ಆದರೆ ಅವಳೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ಸುತ್ತೋಗಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಸರಿಯಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟೇ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಐ ವೆಂಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಿಸನ್. ನಾನು ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ, I had to go back to prison. So this is what about Lal Bahadur Shastri. How he was very kind, brave, very active and very accurate in his nature. Okay. See, the remaining part of the lesson will be continued in the next class. Okay, students. So for today's homework, you have to write the 3 questions given in 166, 1, 2, 3, okay, and 4. Okay, you have to attend 4 questions. Okay, students, I hope you understood today's class.